Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, quality fabrication equipment that you can trust. Let's take a look at the GMC Finish Pro Wide Belt Sander, which is the FP-2560 deburring and finishing machine. This sander has the capacity to handle 24-inch wide material and is constructed with a rugged steel framework. It comes standard with an 8-inch 45 durometer contact drum, 10 horsepower main motor, 1 horsepower feed motor, and a 1 horsepower lift motor. It also features a digital thickness display, power height adjustment, conveyor reverse, sanding head jog, and a manual feed speed control. In addition, the FP-2560 includes several safety features such as in-feed bump bar, 2 push-button e-stops, 2 internal over-travel switches, and an outboard door interlock switch. This sander is a heavy-duty, quality wide belt sander and comes in either 220-volt 3-phase or 460-volt 3-phase versions. Other sizes available are the FP-4075 and the FP-5285 models that are backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts. Clearly, the FP-2560 would make a great addition to any facility or shop. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and has sold thousands of sanders that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery.